Hi, I'm Christine Jill Magan and I'm assigned to discuss about the web application risk and controls. Web application risk is the web applications as defined by PC Magazine are programs that load from the internet when used. They're widely adopted due to benefits like platform independence, faster deployment, lower cost, and better use satisfaction. However, they introduce risks such as security vulnerabilities, data integrity issues, and system dependencies. So, web application risks are programs that run through your internet browser according to PC Magazine. They're loaded from the internet each time they're used. Companies love web apps because they're fast to deploy, cost effective, and work across different platforms. But with those advantages come risks like potential security vulnerabilities, problems with data accuracy, and a heavy dependence on the system to function properly. To protect against this risk, companies use two main types of controls. First is the General Computer Controls or the ITGCs. These are the backbone of IT and apply to all systems. They cover three main areas, which is the system operations, making sure system run properly. Next is the information security, protecting data from unauthorized access. Lastly is the change management, tracking system updates and changes. Second, we have the application controls. This focus on individual application and help ensure the data being processed is accurate, complete, and authorized. Examples include things like input validation, user authorization, and ensuring calculations are correct. Conclusion: applications are vital and valuable but come with risk. Proper implementation of general and application controls is key. Tools like spreadsheets and database or EUD also require oversight as they impact business decisions. Electronic data interchange or EDI used for exchanging business documents like invoices, poses risks like data breaches, fraud, and system dependency. Stakeholders must stay aware and proactive in mitigating this risk. So, applications are critical for how business operate. They save time and money, but they also create risks that we need to manage. Even tools created by individual employees, like spreadsheets or small databases, known as end user development, can affect business decisions and should be treated with care. Another example is electronic data interchange or EDI, which companies use to exchange documents like invoices and purchase orders. It's efficient, but also opens the door to risks like fraud, data breaches, and system outages. That's why it's important for everyone, from auditors and developers to management, to stay aware and proactive about this risk. That's all. Thank you.